can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. It ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle, and sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Yeah, keep on moving, keep climbing, keep the faith, baby. It's all about the climb. Keep your faith, keep your
My name is Paul Johnson. I am doing carpentry and joinery apprenticeship. I applied for the apprenticeship because it's a great way to gain qualifications that will stay with me for life. I have gained my level 1, 2 and 3 diploma in carpentry and joinery, also MBQ level 2 in carpentry and joinery, and I'm currently doing my level 3.
My name is Adam Bailey, and the apprenticeship I'm doing is the Business Administration level 3. I was in school and I went back for sixth form, and I didn't like it, so I decided to get a job, and luckily the apprenticeships in the council came up. I've enjoyed the fact that I've gained experience and working in an office. In 2 years' time I see myself in a business administration role within the council or outside.
I applied for the Flintshire Traineeship because I'd finished my A-levels and wasn't sure what to do. I didn't want to go to university and wanted to gain some experience in the workplace as well as continuing to gain qualifications. Before my traineeship I was in sixth form, so I completed my 3 A-levels and then decided that this was right for me. I've enjoyed meeting new people, gaining knowledge in various areas and gaining actual qualifications. In 2 years' time I'm hoping to be in a full-time position within the council doing business administration.
My name's Marie Edmund Robinson and I'm doing the level 3 business administration. I was working for 10 years part-time whilst raising my family, Then I actually went and did a diploma in business administration in a return to learn course at Deeside College.
My name is Jamie Featherstone and I'm doing the warehousing and ICT apprenticeship. I heard about the apprenticeships through a friend, so that drove me to apply for one. The thing I've enjoyed the most about my apprenticeship is meeting new people and gaining the experience. In 2 years' time I'd like to see myself working within the public sector and possibly for Flintshire County Council.
My name is Sean Bowden and I'm doing a modern trainee in housing. Before starting this job role I worked various different jobs and I also did a lot of voluntary work. Hopefully in 2 years' time I'll have gained full-time employment with Flintshire County Council or another housing provider.
My name is Katie and I'm doing a health and social care apprenticeship. I've enjoyed meeting new people and gaining further experiences from my job. If I was to recommend an apprenticeship to somebody, I would just tell them just to go for it to gain a lot of experience within the job role that they want to be.
I would highly recommend an apprenticeship because they offer good working conditions and good pay.
I would recommend the apprenticeship to anyone who just left school, as it's a good way to gain experience working by also gaining qualifications on a good wage.
If I was to recommend the apprenticeship, I would say it's a great opportunity to gain work experience in different areas, gain extra knowledge in different areas which you wouldn't know before, and also extra qualifications.
I have already recommended the Flintshire apprenticeships. Within Communities First we actually run weekly job clubs and we've been promoting the Flintshire apprenticeships through them clubs, so we have recommended quite a few people already.
If I was going to recommend this apprenticeship to a friend or relative, then I would express the vast amount of experience you can gain from doing so.
If I was to recommend this apprenticeship I'd say just go for it because the experiences you gain and the people you meet are invaluable.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.